Hello everyone, welcome to this new virtual demo about Jaltest. This is gonna be a very short demo, around 7 or 9 minutes. The main idea is to show a general overview about some function of Jaltest. This is our commercial division, and as you can see, we have a different equipment available here. So for this demo, we are gonna use the light and medium commercial vehicle. Here we have 42 different makes. We have Asian, European, and American make. So for this demo, we're gonna use the Isuzu. That is a very important make. This is all the families available. We have all the model here, and I can pick this one. And this is all the possible system that I can find in this F series. So we have two ways to make the connection. For example, if I want to connect to the engine and I know which exactly is the engine, so I can pick the engine, go to the connector info, and I will find all the information related to this connection. And Jaltest is guiding us, providing where exactly is the connector inside the equipment, how it look like the connector, pinout information, and the correct part number for this connection. The other way is using all system scan is an auto detection. So with the auto detection, Jaltest will find all the system inside this F series. Remember that Jaltest is a diagnostic dealer level tool for all making systems, and we have four general functions: diagnostic dealer level, technical information, technical support, and data management. As you can see now, Jaltest is finding all the system inside this F series. As you can see, we have a system detected, we have the engine, we have the transmission, anti-lock hydraulic braking, body computer, supplementary string system, electronic module, immobilizer. We can go to the engine, and we can make the connection, and this is the main menu. We have a different option here. We have the diagnosis. In here we can find state of the code, proprietary focal, description of the focal. We have also technical information related to the focal. We have this information about the component, where it's located, and additional information. And also we have the wire diagrams. And this is very important, because with this information, the technician can know how exactly it's connected the component with the ECU, the component on my right, the ECU in the middle. So I can do double click and I will find all the pinout information. So with this info, the technician can know if the focal is related to the component, or maybe to the wire between the ECU and the component. If we go to other section, we have the focal troubleshooting. In here we can find a step-by-step guide. This is very useful for a potential solution related to this focal. And we can go to the main menu again to go to error clearance, system data, measurement. We have system display info. This is very good information, because with this info, the technician can have a better understanding about what is happening in the system, where it's going now, and going into every component. And for Jaltest, it's very important the user experience. So with this, we strongly believe that we can improve that user experience. And also we have the measurement selection. In here, you will find 161 different measurements. You have the groups here, so I can select three, and I can select three measurements, for example, and I have three different representation. We have the gauges here. We have this question mark that provide more information related that measurements, and also we have the graphic representation. We can customize the graphic if I want to show only one measurement, so I can do it. I can do with two or maybe three. I can do the zoom in and zoom out, and also I can pass. This is very good. And I can also take a screenshot. I can print or include it in the diagnostic report that I can show you later. If we go to the other options, we can find the activate component, so we can activate or deactivate all this component here. And we have also the system checks. So we have the engine spin, EGR valve, fuel pressure, idle shutdown, cylinder cutout. This is a really good test that you can do, and you can find the same layout in all the tests and all the functions that you can do with Jaltest. First step, initial condition, initial information. Second step, initial condition, and the third one is the test. So I can do the cylinder cutout. I can switch on or switch off. We have the graphic representation, and we can end the test, and we have the results at the end. And this result is going to the diagnostic report automatically. And also we have the parameters. We can have we can change the display parameters, injector coding, cruise control, speed limit. We have the modify parameters too. So we have also the maintenance. This is really good information. We have a different information about the maintenance here. And we can have the calibration for particulate filter differential, pressure regulator of the fuel. And we have a data recorder that is very good because we can record all the data while we are doing the road test, and then we can analyze the results. So this is very good. We have also the system technical data, and this is the technical information inside Jaltest. You can come here. It doesn't matter if you don't have an active focal, and also we have the diagrams that I showed you before, and also we have the vehicle data. Here you will find more information about repair actions. For example, if you want something for tightening torques, for the cylinder head, so we are being able to provide you the information to make this repair. So we can provide you how exactly is the order, if you need force or maybe angle, and if you don't have this information, you are not be able to do this kind of task. And also we have the troubleshooting by symptoms. This is another guide step by step, but this guide is related to the symptoms, not to the focals. So this is very, very good. This is all the menu here. And we can go to the other system. For example, the transmission is an Allison transmission, so we can make the connection. And we have different options. We have diagnosis also. We have also error clearance, system data, measurements. So we have the system display too. We have also the measurement selection. We have the system check and parameters. So we have the same layout as you can see, and the the learning curve is very short with us because we have the same layout for all the system and all the makes. And also we have the remote assistant because we can do remote assistant with you. And also we have the contact detail. We are reachable by phone, by number, by email, so you can select the best one. And the last but not least is the GRP. It's a data management tool that is inside Jaltest and is for free. So these have a different option, very good options. As you can see, we have a client list, so we can make a profile for every client. We can have the vehicle list here. We can have all the diagnostic report that we did. We can have a workshop management. So we can have tasks, reception roles. We can assign tasks to. In human resource, we can do different user with different level of access depend of the role. So this is very, very good tool and is inside Jaltest without any cost. So if you want more information, you can go to our distributors or our webpage or fan page in Facebook. And also we have a YouTube channel with more videos. So we are waiting for you. This is all for today. Thank you for your attention.